I am Katja, this is Yoganity, and here are 5 things that you might be doing wrong in headstand. Are you balancing on your pinky? Bring it in. That way you have more surface area on the mat and the balancing becomes easier. Unengaged shoulders. If your shoulder blades are drawn together, then you're not engaging your shoulders enough. Press the mat away, draw the shoulder blades apart, and that way keep your shoulders safe. Your shoulder engagement is also important for the next point. Number 3, too much weight on your head. In a classic headstand, you should have about 80% of your weight on your arms and only about 20% on your head. And yes, that requires some arm strength. Practice dolphin variations to develop that strength and keep your neck safe. Kicking up. Are you kicking up into your headstand? By kicking up, you are a lot more likely to lose balance and fall. Instead, work on the tiptoeing as close as possible. Point your feet to bring your hips beyond your shoulders. Bring one knee to your chest, then the other, and then extend your legs up. That way you're always in full control. If this entry into headstand is not available to you yet, then work on the flexibility of your hamstrings and your core strength first. Unengaged feet. It might sound like a minor thing, but in headstand you really want to engage your entire body, from head to toes. So make sure that your feet are engaged. Of course, there's a lot more to know about a full headstand, but if you keep these 5 things in mind, then you already have a more stable and aligned posture while also keeping your body safe. Happy practicing. Namaste.